Hi everybody, it's Kathy here and it is time for the weekly roundup. What a week. First week back at school. Started off with 2 days where it was teacher professional learning, and that's still, always a big drag on the day because we've got lots of learning to do and lots of things that need to be done before the children return to school. Then we hit school days where the kids came back, and it has been full on. I can tell you, I forget. I'm not as young as I used to be. So when I get home, I'm not very crafty of an afternoon because it is just so tiring. I am so sorry. So as a result, my layout load this week was quite low, and I really do appreciate everybody who popped back in to check out what I've been doing. And I'm also apologising for the bomb over the weekend, but I am setting up ready for a big week. We're moving into May, and that's May I Scrap Lift You. So I am hoping, well, I'm planning to do quite a few for that one, so I'd really like you to check back and see what I'm doing. But for now, let's hit the desk. From one desk, the work desk, to the craft desk, and let's see what I've got wrapped up from this week. So, I actually did do a few more than I thought I would have, but that's okay. Here it is. This one, Christmas in. So this was Christmas in April. And it actually hasn't gotten that many views, people. I don't know why, but maybe not what people want to see. Maybe they don't want reminders that Christmas is around the corner. So this one here was all about using the Creative Memory circle cutters and how I layer it up on the layout. And I just love the traditional colours in this one. Very cute. So go check out the video, people, if you haven't already seen it. Oh, there goes Ivy off in the background. She's probably talking about the surprise I'm going to talk about in a minute. Here we go is a black magic sketch. Had to use this sketch and the colour palette of the blue, the green, the blue, the green, the yellow and the pink. So they were the colours. Did some mixed media in the background here, and I just love how that turned out. That was very cute. Oh, my scrap lift crafternoon from last week. I love how this turned out. It was fantastic. These fish were actually at my feet. They were swimming around my legs. I love it. And if you go and watch the video, you'll hear the full story. It was an amazing day. It was at Mystery Island. It was just taken on my camera, on my phone. I wished I'd had my GoPro with me at the time, but I didn't. And this was just taken through the water at the fish that were down and around my feet. And there will be another page with more of these images to follow. But this was a scrap lift crafternoon, and I love how that turned out. That turned out better than I thought it was going to. This one here was a scrapper sketch. It was using the printables, so it's a hybrid. I hand stitched on this one, as you can see. This was my daughter and I at the arrival at the terminal to get on the ship, the Anthem. That was the day we left. Very exciting. The day had finally come. Didn't think it was going to happen, but it was very exciting to get to see the Anthem and finally get there. This one here was from the Iron Crafter Challenge, and we had to use Nouveau drops. So I did my title on Nouvos, I did the netting through the Nouvos, and of course I did my Nouveau drops strategically around. I also used my Nouveau drops to highlight the anchor here, and this is just another page for my daughter's cruise album, and I just love how this turned out. Well, I can't say I loved it. I was still on the fence with it. I do like this cluster. I do like the effect, but I need a lot more practice with the Nouveau. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. So then I had a release of this layout video. This one here was from my creative team at 3/4 Designs. I love 3/4 Designs. I'm not going to lie. They are fabulous. The papers are just gorgeous. I love working with them. I love being challenged by the A side. Of course, the B sides are always beautiful as well, but I love to challenge myself to use the A side. I did a bit of lacing in this one here, lots of layering. Now, these ones that I do with the creative team, they're for obviously purposes of the creative team. I do like to use the A side. I do like to show the possibility. What do you reckon in the creative team layouts? Do you want to see them? Like I do these as like special layouts, the one-offs, the moment layouts. What would you like to see in that? Would you like to see it as how you can do those aha moments? Or do you want to see how you can use everyday ones and keep it really simple? I'm really curious. I'd like to know, because if I'm going overboard and doing a lot of the aha moments, maybe that's not hitting the mark. So you let me know what you think. I don't scrap like this all the time. This is my preferred style of scrapbooking. I love aha moments, but I understand that in the reality of life, you can't do 500 aha moments. But then again, can you? Let me know in the comments. Should I keep my design team's aha moments, or should I put it as the everyday scrapping moments? I'm really, really curious. So this is this one. This is the Iron Crafter with the Nuvo drops. This one was my scrapbook afternoon one. I absolutely adore this one. This one was a Scrapper Sketch Creative Team one. It's a promo one using the sketch that came out on the Fridays. And this one here was my Black Magic design team as well, Black Magic Sketches. Go check it out on Facebook. You really want to be a part of it. But this one, which I really liked, and I've liked the subtlety of it, yeah, not doing so great on the channel, guys. Not very many views. So maybe if you haven't seen it or you didn't see how it came together, maybe you'd like to go and check that one out. But then something else happened this week. We got 2 new babies, and they were rescue little kittens that we got. They were dumped. They were dumped at a friend's driveway along with the rest of the litter and the mum. They don't know how long they had been down there. They hadn't been down the driveway for a while. They were a bit ratty-tatty. They're a bit, you know, a little, very much abandoned little girls. And we were only going to have one. I was going to give, my daughter was going to have one, but then she couldn't. So now we've got 2. So Buttercup is the grey tortoiseshell one, and Petal is the little black one. She is just so cute. Everywhere I go, she wants to be. So she's just adorable. So I've got a few little shots here for you to see them. And I think that they are a great way to finish off the week with a few little shots of little kittens. Who doesn't like the babies? And trust me, even the rest of the cats in the house and the dog are starting to get used to them. So this is my desk to your desk. Hopefully, if you haven't seen one of these, I've triggered an inspiration for you to go check it out. And if you have seen one of them, let me know in the comments. Which one is your preferred one? I really want to hear what you have to say. See you very soon in the next video. And I'll be back next week with a wrap up. So that's a wrap, everybody, and I hope you had a great long weekend if you are here in Australia. We are celebrating Anzac this weekend, which means an extra day on Monday crafting for me. But for anybody else, I hope perhaps you go and check out the videos of the layouts that you liked from this week if you haven't already seen them, and have a little bit of a binge on the Kathy Loves to Scrap channel. I really do appreciate every single one of you that comes back. It really is helping to keep my channel out there and building my world and your world in the crafty land of scrapbooking. So stay tuned for all of the layouts that are coming in the coming 7 days, and hopefully I'll have a few for you to check back in on. Much appreciated once again. I really love you leaving me a comment. Give me a thumbs up, everybody. That's the one that we're looking for that interactivity. And if you can, don't forget to hype. See you real soon for the next roundup. And while we're at it, here's the next video for you.